Hello students, this is my video on similar triangle. This is the topic of mathematics for class 10th. Okay, in this video I will discuss some question, that is board level question. Now look, ABCD is a parallelogram. Parallelogram is opposite side parallel, है ना? AD parallel BC, similarly AB parallel CD. Opposite side equal, AD equal to BC and AB equal to CD. It is given. M is the midpoint of DC. That means DM and CM both are equal. B and M are joined and it is produced in the same direction. Then AD also produced, they will meet at the point of E. Okay? This BE cut a diagonal AC at the point L. Okay? So B and AC both are intersecting at the point of L. We have to give the relation between EL and BL. E to L and B to L. How could we relate between EL and BL? Look at this. The EL and BL. So for giving relation, first I have to go through the congruency in two triangles. Triangle name DME and triangle name BMC. And in this triangle and this triangle we have to make congruent. Look at this. In triangle DM and triangle CBM. So look, angle E and angle, what is this? MBC. Both are alternate interior angle. This is angle number 1. This is also angle number 1. Both are alternate interior angle. So angle E equal to angle MBC, alternate interior angle, because AD and BC parallel. AD parallel, that means A parallel BC. Okay. Now, after that, your angle, vertical opposite angle, this is 2 and it is also 2. So you look there, angle DME equal to angle CMB, vertically opposite angle. Okay, B is vertically, O is of angle, vertically opposite, O is opposite, vertically opposite angle. Now third one is DM equal to CM, that is given in the question already. Okay, so we could say this triangle, name of this triangle is DEM, and another triangle is CBM. Both triangles are congruent by angle side. Angle side. So both are congruent by angle side congruency. Clear? After that we can say the length of BC equal to DE. The length of BC equal to DE I have just used there. That is CPCD of this congruency. And this is the outcomes. Now we know that BC and AD both are equal because AD and BC are opposite side of parallelogram. So AD and BC both are equal and BC and DE also equal. Okay. So what we write in the place of AE? In the place of AE we can write AD and DE. The AD plus DE in the place of AE. And in the place of AD we can write BC. In the place of DE we can write BC. The BC plus BC 2BC. I think A equal to 2BC I have written. Okay. Now go through the triangle ALE and BLC. Go through this triangle. Okay. In triangle ALE, angle ALE equal to CLB. Look at this. This angle and this angle are vertically opposite angle. Both are equal. Angle E and angle LBC, angle E is this, angle LBC is this. Both are alternate interior angle. Both are similar. And for making similarity, we need two angles only. They are equal. So first angle, vertically opposite angle. Second angle, this is alternate interior angle already shown. So triangle ALE and triangle BLC both are similar triangles. If they are similar, we can say what the ratio of a BL and EL. BL of this small triangle, EL of this big triangle. Then BC and AE. Okay, this angle opposite BC and this angle opposite AE. Okay, so what I do? EL of big triangle and BL of a small triangle. EL by BL equal to AE. AE means this angle opposite side AE and this angle opposite side BC. AE by BC. So EL by BL equal to AE by BC. And we know that A equal to 2BC from equation 1. We can put here A equal to 2BC by BC. And here I will write from 1, from equation 1. Okay, the BC cancel, become 2. So EL by BL equal to 2, so we can say EL equal to twice BL. Clear, my dear? It's a very, very good question, very, very important question. Now, one more question I am going to discuss in this video, that is on the basis of lamp post. Okay, it is very important question and many times this question also came. Okay, so I hope you will like this video and you will understand the concept. Okay, now like this video and subscribe the channel and also share the video. Look, question is what? Next question. A lamp is 3.3 meter above the ground. This is the lamp. Okay, 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 lamp. Okay, what is the height? 3.3 meter above the ground. Okay, this is the ground. This is the ground. G-R-O-U-N-D, ground. This is the lamp, is 3.3 meter above the ground. Clear? A boy 110 centimeter tall walk away from the base. This is the boy. 110 centimeter less. Okay, so 110 centimeter length. Okay, 110 centimeter. Walk away and moving away by the speed of 0.8 meter per second. The speed of this boy is 0.8 meter per second. Okay, moving away. Now we have to find the length of shadow of the boy after 4 seconds. What have to find? Shadow of boy after 4 seconds. Okay, shadow of boy after 4 seconds. So look at this head and this head join, and it will go straight forward and it will touch this one. Suppose it is A, it is B, and it is C, it is D, and it is E. Okay, this boy also perpendicular, so it is taken as straight line, it is 90 degree. Now look at this. So this is the lamp post, the height is given 3.3 meter above the ground, and this is the boy 110 centimeter above the ground. Okay, this is the top. This value is centimeter, so we can write in meter also, 1.1 meter. Okay, divide by 100. Now this boy going away from the lamp post, okay, by the speed of 0.8 meter per second, in 4 seconds, they are going to reach this position. No, sorry. This is the lamp post, and this boy going away from the lamp post by the speed of 0.8 meter per second, in 4 seconds, from this position to this position, the boy came. Okay. And if the boy came at this position, the shadow is on this, DE. D is the shadow. Okay. D equal to shadow. We have to find the shadow of the boy. And BD equal to, look at this, BD equal to distance between boy and lamppost. Boy and lamppost. Lamp. So BD equal to speed into time. Speed into time. What the speed of running boy, a walking boy? The speed of walking boy is 0.8 meter per second. So 0.8 meter per second in 4 seconds. Okay. So here it is 3.2 meter. Now this distance is 3.2 meter. Okay. Okay, and this distance supposed to be x. We have to find x. Okay, this is x. Now what I have to do? We have to make similar to triangle CDE and ABE. Okay, in triangle ABE and CDE. Okay, look at this. Angle ABE equal to angle CDE 90 degree. 90 degree. Okay. Then angle E is common. Okay, this angle 90, this angle also 90, both angle 90, and this angle is common in this triangle also and big triangle also. So we can write here angle E equal to angle E common. Common. Okay, this is common. So we can say triangle ABE is similar to triangle CDE by angle similarity. By angle similarity. Okay, similarity. Okay. Now what I will take side ratio. AB upon CD. AB upon CD equal to AB upon CD. AB upon CD equal to B upon DE. BE upon DE. Okay. Now here I go. AB value is 3.3. AB value is given 3.3. Okay, 3.3 meter by. Okay, and CD value is 1.1 meter equal to BE. B is 3.2 plus X. This is B2D 3.2 and that is X. 3.2 plus X by DE. D is X. So here it is cancelled and it will be 3. So 3 equal to 3.2 plus X divided by X. Okay. Now what is the value of X? 3X equal to 3.2 plus X. So it becomes 2X equal to 3.2 meter. So what is the value of X? 1.6 meter. So what is the length of shadow? Length of shadow is 1.6 meter. I hope you understand this video. Thank you.